how to get the Disney filter on Instagram. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get the Disney filter on Instagram, right? Now, the reason I'm making this video is because a couple of my subscribers asked me to make one to show them how to do this, and I said, okay, give me a second and I will. So that's why I am making this video for you guys. Now, let me say this before I get into this video. If this video helped you at all, could you please leave a thumbs up? It will help my channel grow a lot, and the more my channel grow, the more I can keep supplying more videos for you guys to enjoy, okay? And I can help you guys more and more just by y'all leaving a thumbs up. So if this video is helpful, please leave a thumbs up, and also be sure to subscribe, all right, to stay tuned on more videos that I upload in the future. Now, how do you get the Disney filter? It's very simple, and I'm basically going to walk you through step by step exactly what you're supposed to do it. So be sure to get out your cell phone right now and get on Instagram. That's the first thing you want to do. So step number one, go to Instagram. Click on the Instagram app. You're going to go to this search box right here. And once you hit search, you are going to, hold on, this isn't right. Let me go to search. All right, you go to the search bar up here. All right, let me hit it. Boom. And you're going to type in this name. Type in the exact name that I type in. All right. It's spelled like this. What is it? A-R-N-O-P-A-R-T. Okay. I-S-S-I-O. All right. You type that name in. And then once you got that name in, you're going to simply click on this profile picture right here of this guy, Arno Partissimo. I believe that's how you pronounce the name. So yeah, once you do that, now what you're simply going to do is go down to, you can click this filter right here, the smiley face, and it pulls up like all of the filters, right? And as you can see, it got the Disney filter right here. This is the one you guys are looking for. So all you're going to do, guys, is click on it right here. Boom. And there you go. So it's which Disney character are you, you know? And there you go. Now, all you have to do to use it is go to try it. Once you click on the try it button, you're now able to see my face right there. Now you're able to basically, hold on. I'm able to try it out now. So watch this. So you see it right there. Just hold this down. Hold the video button down. And it's going to pull up your Disney character. Boom. It gave me whatever that princess is. I forgot her name. Was that Snow White or somebody? I don't know. But anyway, that's how you do it. And then you can just let the button go. And as you can see, the video is recorded. All right. And there it is. That's how you do that, guys. So again, if this video was helpful at all, I highly appreciate it if you can leave me a small thumb up. That would help my channel grow a whole lot. And if you would like, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do giveaways on my channel. If y'all are interested in like getting free Xbox Live gold codes or anything like that, I do those type of giveaways on my channel. So make sure you subscribe. And yeah, that's how you do it, guys. So let me just show y'all. There it is. And I'm sure you could send it just by hitting send, you know. So I could just hit send and I can send it to anybody. So that's how you do that, guys. So let me show y'all one more time, though, before I get off here. I want to make sure that you guys understand how to do this properly. And if y'all got any questions, just let me know in the comment box below. So again, how to get the Disney filter on Instagram. This is what you do step by step. I'm going to show y'all a little faster. First thing you do is go to Instagram. Boom. As soon as you go to Instagram, you hit the search bar button, this little magnify glass right there. You're going to type in this guy's name, Arno Partissimo. All right, you get to his page. Once you get to Arno Partissimo's page, you're going to click on the filter icon, which is this smiley face right here. and it's going to pull up all of the filters. So you don't have to just do the Disney filter. You can do this one or this one. Just click on it, and they give you an example video right here of the Disney characters. And that's the character that he got. All right. And then you can just hit try it. And once you hit try it, you can do it yourself by, let me see. So there is the filter. Let me pull it up. Boom. I'm going to just hit it. And you just hold it down. I messed up. But there you go. They gave me Puma from the Lion King. And that's how you do it. And as you can see, the video, it saves itself. So there you have it, guys. Again, hopefully this video was helpful. If it helped you at all, be sure to get his channel a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching. And that's it. That's all I got. Thanks for watching, guys. See y'all later. We on the let me just mention this. I'm on the road to get this channel to 100,000 subscribers. Once we hit 100K subscribers, guys, I'm gonna do a special giveaway where I will be giving away some stuff. So, you know, I want to thank y'all for the support, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.